Hey everybody, what's good? Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashlyn and I am back with another video for today's look. As y'all can see, it's a look like I'm serving looks right now, like for real. It's like a sunset eye, and I didn't even try to make it a sunset eye intentionally. Like I just wanted to do yellow and orange, but the vibes that I'm getting, yes. So yeah, before I go any further, if you like what you see so far, do give my video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, because if you like it now, then you know you're gonna like the rest of the video. So go ahead and just get that out the way. If you do like this look and you want to see how to get it, continue to watch, and I'm going to jump right into the video. So I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm gonna go into my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to take this orange shade and also place this right on top of that yellow. So back into that Morphe palette, I'm going to take this blending brush that I have and use this little red color right here, and then go back into that red. And I'm gonna place this right up under that orange we just applied. Going back into that orange and just buffing the edges out. Oh y'all, my bad, I'm sorry, this was the Morphe E30 brush. I don't know why I got it confused. Now I'm gonna go pick out my Morphe M433 brush and going back into that Morphe palette, and I'm going to use this color right here. It's like a burnt orange, really pretty, and also tap into that brown as well, just a little bit, because this is going on the outer corner, so I kind of want it to be deep. So now I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm gonna use my Tarte Shade Tape concealer. Most likely this part gonna get cut out because it's a waste of time. So yeah. So with me being a faker that I am, I'm gonna take this real tiny itty bitty brush. I'm gonna go into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, go into this orange reddish color, and I'm gonna place this right where I cut my crease at. This is helping make where I cut my crease set real sharp. Like when y'all see those girls with the real sharp cut crease and you could just see the blend so perfect, and ooh, this how you gotta fake it to make it. Like really fake it to make it. So I'm gonna pick that Morphe M433 brush back up and just go and push this into where my concealer meets, so it don't make it harsh and ugly. So first things first, I'm going to get this little flat brush I have, and I'm gonna take this burnt orange and place that right at the edge. Now I'll go into the brighter orange and put that right after that burnt one. Taking a completely different flat brush, I'll go and pick this yellow up right here. Get her on there. And put that just right after that orange. and even like let it overlap on top of that orange a little bit. So before I go and put my lashes on and do, I'm going to go and prime my face using my Milani Prime Light Primer. Before I go and put my foundation on, I'm going to also set my face with my Mario Badescu spray. And this is because my skin is dry as crap, so I just have to add a whole lot of moisture to it. So for foundation, I'm using my NARS Longwear Radiant. Let me read it from the bottle before I try them. Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation from NARS, and this is in the color Syracuse Medium Dark 1. Each time I like say the name of this foundation, I always forget to say something. But yes, Medium Dark 1. And you know, stay down, never change up, because I use this all the time. I don't know what's going on with my face. When I tell you my shit broke out so bad, like I got a pimple under my nose. It probably like a booger. It's not a booger, y'all, it's a pimple. The amount of time I spend blending out my foundation should not be as long as it really is, like. So next I'm gonna go in with my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Medium 2. And just let that dry down a little bit so the coverage could be more fuller, especially since I use so little. I gotta get the coverage, gotta get the work, you know. So to blend out my concealer, I'm going to use my sponge that I used to put my foundation on and go and start blending. So I'm gonna go and pick that Y6 brush back up and just blend my foundation in with my concealer. So for contour, use my Wet n Wild stick in the color Where's Walnut. So I'm gonna use my Face Expert brush from Real Techniques to blend my contour out. I forgot to do my nose, and just to have a little deal, you know, little deal. So I'm gonna go and blend my concealer back out a little bit just to make sure it didn't start creasing. To set my face, I'm going to use my Benai Banana powder. I have a dry face, so I do not use a whole lot of powder, and I do not bake. Even though the powder pretty much sets into my skin anyways, I still go and dust off any excess powder because my skin just, it's not having it. Like, it's really not. So going into my strawberry palette, I'm gonna go and use this color Mocha. Her palette is really bomb. Like the highlight and the contour colors, I really love, and I just can't stop using it. Like, I feel like I really haven't used anything since I ordered this. Like, know me, I love a super bronzed face. Like, if I could get it, I'ma get it. To get that little deal. So to go and dust off my powder and just bring my powders together, I'm going to use my powder brush from Real Techniques, and let's do it. I'm gonna go into my Becca Sunlit Bronzer, and this is in the color Bronze Bondy. So now that my face is all bronzed and nice, I'm gonna go and add some blush. And the blush I'm gonna use is my Black Radiance blush, and this is in the color Toasted Almond. I'm going to set my face using my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And while all this sets in place, before I go and do anything else, I'm gonna finish my eyes, which is honestly not much. I'm gonna just go into this Take Me Back to Brazil palette and take that red that we used, the little red orange, and put it up under my eye. T highlight brush and spray it with my setting spray. In the makeup, in the It's My Ray palette, and I'm gonna go into the color Radiant. Like, look at that face. I'm gonna take this NK pencil. It's an eye pencil, but I'm using it for my lips, and this is in the color. The color is gone. Just know it's a brown pencil, and you can get this at your local beauty supply store. And I'm going to put her on my lips because the lipstick, I'm going to take this LA Girl matte lipstick, and this is in the color Snuggle, and I'm gonna add her. And of course, I'm not gonna leave you boring because I could never. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the color Fessy and pop this little sexy bit right on my lips. I love the way Rihanna lip glosses smell. Like, they all smell so good. I'm just gonna go into this Moonlight color and pop it in my brow bone. Now I'm done and I can go and set my face. But I'm gonna take the scarf off my head, put some hoops on, and I'll be back, okay? Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. It came out really pretty, real sunsetty. It looked real nice. It looked real good, like it should, okay? I enjoy making this look because I really think this look is so fucking bomb. Like, I think it's so cute, and I never did a matte cut crease before, so that's a plus on top of that. Like, it came out so good, and I'm getting better at my cut crease. Like, I don't know if y'all could clock that, but clock it, okay? I'm gonna need y'all to clock it. Like this look, you liked the video, you found the helpful, endurance, and you liked the video, you found it helpful and or inspiring, please do like this video. Also subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time on my next video.